Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Zymox Ear Cleaner is probably one of the most effective and gentle solutions available for tackling common canine ear issues, from stubborn wax buildup and odor to the discomfort caused by yeast and bacteria, making it a go-to choice for pet parents seeking a reliable way to maintain their dog's ear health and comfort without harsh chemicals or the need for a prescription. Number 5. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing our advanced ear cleaning wipes, specifically designed to gently clean and deodorize your dog's ears. They are safe for regular use, helping to maintain healthy ears. Regular use of these wipes helps minimize wax buildup and remove debris. This can significantly reduce the risk of ear infections and keep your pet's ears clean and dry. Each wipe is convenient, soothing, and non-irritating, infused with aloe vera and eucalyptus. They are perfect for dogs over 12 weeks old. Say goodbye to unpleasant ear odor. These wipes effectively combat foul smells, contributing to your dog's overall health and happiness without the need for medication. Proudly made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety for your beloved pet. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient way to maintain your dog's ear hygiene, these wipes are a great choice. They are designed for regular use to help prevent infections and reduce wax buildup. If you prefer a quick and easy cleaning solution without the mess of liquids, these disposable wipes are ideal. What people say. This product is a great ear cleaner for dogs. It effectively removes wax and debris from the ear canal. The Zymox Ear Cleaner is easy to use and has a pleasant scent, making the cleaning process more manageable for both the pet and the owner. Many users have reported significant improvement in their dog's ear health after using this cleaner, with reduced itching and odor. Number 4. VetWELL Ear Cleaner for Dogs and Cats. Introducing VetWELL Ear Cleaner, a veterinarian-formulated solution designed to gently clean your pet's ears. It helps manage odor and reduce wax buildup for healthier ears. Our advanced formula is veterinarian-approved to gently clean, deodorize, acidify, and dry your pet's ears. It's crafted for optimal ear health and comfort. This safe and gentle cleanser, enriched with aloe vera, is perfect for daily use. It provides effective cleaning without causing any stinging, burning, or aggravation to the ear canal. It effectively eliminates the buildup of wax, fluid, dirt, and debris. This helps to stop bothersome itching, scratching, head shaking, and general irritation. This solution helps to relieve ear infections caused by common issues like growths, buildup, and itching. It promotes a healthier ear environment for your beloved pet. Rest assured, our product is made in the USA in federally regulated manufacturing facilities. This ensures the highest standards of quality and safety for your peace of mind. What we like. For pet owners seeking a veterinarian-approved solution, this ear cleaner is a top pick. It's formulated to gently clean, deodorize, and dry ears, while also helping to manage odor and reduce wax buildup. If your pet suffers from itching, scratching, or head shaking due to ear issues, this gentle formula with aloe vera is designed to provide relief without stinging. What people say. This product is a great cleaner and deodorizer for ears. It is effective at removing ear wax and debris. The cleaner is gentle and does not irritate the ears. Number 3. Zymox Enzymatic Ear Solution with Hydrocortisone. Introducing a gentle ear solution designed for both dogs and cats. It effectively soothes common ear issues like infections, redness, and inflammation, making it suitable for pets of all ages. Our formula is designed to be gentle and sting-free, providing relief from painful ear infections. It works to combat issues caused by germs, fungi, and yeast. This solution offers a safe and natural alternative to harsher medications. It contains 0.5% hydrocortisone to effectively relieve itching. There's no need for pre-cleaning painful ears. Simply fill the ear canal, and let this powerful solution begin its work. Featuring the advanced LP3 enzyme system, it helps clear ear secretions. This promotes overall ear health for your beloved pet. What we like. If you're dealing with painful ear infections in your dog or cat, this enzymatic solution is worth considering. It's formulated with a gentle, no-sting formula that includes hydrocortisone to help relieve itching and inflammation. The powerful enzyme system works to clear secretions and promote healthy ears, even without pre-cleaning, making it a great option for pets who are sensitive or uncomfortable with traditional ear cleaning methods. What people say. This cleaner is effective at removing ear wax and debris, leaving the ears clean and odor-free. The formula is gentle and non-irritating, making it suitable for dogs with sensitive ears. It helps to reduce itching and scratching, providing relief for dogs suffering from ear infections. Number 2. Pet MD Tris Flush Dog and Cat Ear Cleaner. Tired of harsh ear cleaners that cause irritation? Discover a gentle yet effective solution specially formulated for your furry friends. It's designed to be mild and non-stinging, providing relief without discomfort. Say goodbye to nasty ear infections and unpleasant odors. This powerful formula flushes out the root cause of infections, leaving your pet's ears clean and fresh. It effectively tackles itchy, scaly irritation and sticky, smelly ear wax. Perfect for routine ear cleaning, this multipurpose solution is also safe for skin rashes and pet acne. It's the ideal addition to your pet care supplies, helping you manage various needs with one product. With almost 20 years of trust from vets and pet parents, our products are developed out of a deep love for pets. We are dedicated to providing the best for your beloved companions. Proudly made in the USA, we adhere to high standards of quality and innovation. Each product undergoes rigorous independent lab testing to ensure purity and effectiveness for your peace of mind. Ear infections are a common reason for vet visits. Keep your pet in top shape with this at-home ear flush treatment and potentially save on costly veterinary bills. It's a convenient way to ensure their well-being. What we like. For those who need a gentle yet effective ear cleaner, this multi-purpose formula is a strong contender. It's specifically designed to be mild and non-stinging, making it suitable for routine cleaning and for flushing out infections. If you're looking to eliminate itchy irritation and impacted ear wax without harsh chemicals, this solution is a great choice for managing common ear issues at home and potentially saving on vet bills. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing ear wax and debris, leaving the ears clean and odor-free. The formula is gentle and non-irritating, making it suitable for dogs with sensitive ears. It helps to prevent ear infections by keeping the ear canal healthy and balanced. Number 1. Pet MD Cat and Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes. Introducing our advanced ear cleaner wipes, designed for both cats and dogs. They effectively clean and deodorize, preventing infections caused by dirt and wax buildup. Enjoy a pleasant cucumber melon scent that reduces foul odors. These wipes help alleviate discomfort, reducing head shaking and scratching. Say goodbye to the struggle of ear cleaning. Our wipes are preferred over messy drops or flushes, making the process quick, easy, and painless for your pet. These convenient, disposable wipes are perfectly sized for easy use. Their compact nature makes them ideal for cleaning on the go, whether at the park or the beach. Our high-quality grooming supplies are proudly made in the USA, ensuring the best care for your beloved pets. What we like. If you find that your pets dislike traditional ear cleaning methods, these wipes offer a preferred alternative. They are designed to make ear cleaning quick, easy, and painless, with a pleasant cucumber melon scent that helps reduce foul odors. If you value convenience and portability for cleaning your pet's ears on the go, these disposable wipes are an excellent choice for maintaining ear health and freshness. What people say. This is the only thing that has worked for my dog's ears. It has cleared up the infection and the itching. It is easy to use and doesn't have a strong smell. My dog doesn't seem to mind it. I have tried many different ear cleaners and this is the only one that has helped my dog's ears. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.